Howdy, welcome to Grudy's. Right, it's weekend, long weekend. I've had to make the executive decision. I will no longer work weekends on customer cars. Right, welcome to my little shop. I enjoy working on customer stuff all the time, and I'm just a little bit ridiculous like this, but I have realised I will not get my own shit done if I do not cut Friday night till Monday morning for myself. So today is chopper day. Hold on, let's go have a look. Right, now I was making a cush drive, but I've decided that the way that the bearing sits in, the cush drive's only held into the wheel via that. If the rubbers wear, it will go in and it will float, and it will do a bit of this, just a little. So I decided, fuck this, I'm going to weld it in. So I'm now cutting that out, and I have new bearings, and it's a 47mm bore. So I will cut the locating lip out, and I will weld that into the rim. So that's what I'm doing today, is I'm setting this up in the rim, and we'll work it out from there. But I have to have all my machining finalised on this before I weld it to the rim, and I'm going to weld around this outer edge. So it'll be nice and neat. All right, customer car, one of my good clients. 2 litre, single 45, head started doing some work, the head was wrong, I put another head on it, it's got a full Rico head, I've done my custom Weber linkage like normal, yada yada yada, because I can't stand cables on linkage cars. Linkage shits on cables every time when it's done right. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I went out this morning, CBC shut on a Saturday, bastards. So I went into a few bike shops and I got the bearings. Now, being a hunter, it runs generic bearings for motorbikes. Nice. So this will just be empty now, and the hub will sit on, and then I'll weld around this edge here. And that will give me more contact patch than these put together. And then I won't have to worry about snapping that out. And worst case scenario, I'll break the rim. I can live with the worst case. I always see the best case anyway. Best case is I'm not going to ride it that much, and the power pulses will be a little annoying, but it'll be fine. I'll just break some shit. Run a chain tensioner on there, so it's got a spring-loaded chain tension, and that should help level it out a little. That'll be nice. Yeah. Cleaning benches, getting ready to do some shit, and been parting out the E24. Nice. The Ute's really good. I'm very happy with the work I did on the tray, and it's no longer scrubbing the guard too hard, only when you put heavy weight on it. So I might end up putting some airbags on the back just for weight carrying. There. Then once 2002 is done next week, the next 2002 I'll start on straight after. Sometimes we need to call it what it is and say enough's enough. I do too much for others, and I don't get enough done for myself, and in turn I'm not getting enough done for others because I'm just busting my own ass all the time. So this is what I've had to do. So from now on, I won't be working from Friday till Monday on anyone else's shit. I don't care who you are, just don't care anymore. I'm going to give myself weekends now. So I'm done. So if it gets done during the week, it gets done during the week. People come to see me on the weekend, that's fine. But I'm going to put your job on the back bench, and I'm going to forget about it till Monday. And this weekend is a long weekend, so it's Tuesday. I hope you all have an awesome long weekend. I am thinking about how I'm going to finish this and how I'm going to finish it off nicely and how well it's going to run when I'm done. I'll do a video on it when I'm finished. You have a lovely weekend, guys.